Hello friends! The last quarter of 2022 is going very smooth, with plenty of events and releases from industry leaders, and I'm happy to witness them. And now it's time to see what is new in power semiconductors industry. Infineon Technologies introduced the automotive qualified EasyPACK 2B EDT2, a flexible and scalable half-bridge power module. Depending on inverter conditions, this 750-volt device can reach a maximum power of up to 50 kW and 230 amps RMS. With these feature specs, the module is optimized for inverter applications in hybrid and electric vehicles. Another unique feature of the EasyPACK is the plug-and-play approach, which simplifies module integration. In addition, compared to classic through-hole discrete packages as well as the hybrid Pack 1, soldering of the pins is no longer required. Researchers at the National Institute of Standards and Technology and collaborators have devised and tested a new, highly sensitive method of detecting and counting defects in transistors, a matter of urgent concern to the semiconductor industry as it develops new materials for next-generation devices. These defects limit transistor and circuit performance and can affect product reliability. The method developed works with both traditional silicon and silicon carbide, allowing for the first time to identify not only the type of defect, but the number of them in a given space with a simple DC measurement. Engineering researchers led by distinguished Professor Alan Mantooth have received almost $18 million from the National Science Foundation to build and operate a national silicon carbide research and fabrication facility at the University of Arkansas. The unique and open-access facility at the University of Arkansas will fill a void in the United States production of integrated circuits made with silicon carbide, a powerful semiconductor well-suited for high-temperature environments. The University of Arkansas facility will provide domestic opportunities for prototyping, proof-of-principle demonstrations, and device design. It will be the only openly accessible fabrication facility of its kind in the United States, meaning its facilities and services will be available to external researchers. General Motors and Wolfspeed announced a strategic supply agreement to develop and provide silicon carbide power device solutions for General Motors' future electric vehicle programs. Wolfspeed silicon carbide devices will enable General Motors to install more efficient electric vehicle propulsion systems that will extend the range of its rapidly expanding EV portfolio. The silicon carbide will specifically be used in the integrated power electronics contained within General Motors' Ultium drive units and its next-generation EVs. Navitas Semiconductor, the industry leader in gallium nitride power integrated circuits, has announced the opening of a new office in Shenzhen, China, which offers a 300% increase in capabilities to support extraordinary revenue growth in that region. The state-of-the-art facility offers significant engineering capacity for Navitas to co-develop GaN-based power systems with customers and design partners. This investment supports the rapid growth of gallium nitride mobile fast chargers, as well as the company's recently announced expansion plans to enable GaN-based data centers, solar installations, and electric vehicles, which represent a multi-billion market opportunity for the company. That's it for today. Thanks everyone for watching my weekly market updates. More industry news coming next week. Meanwhile, go to Marketing Cycle website for more information or join me in social media. Keep in touch.